Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded anything. So here I am. I'm back. Thank you for dropping by. And for today, kita naman natin sa title, I will try to make my own cushion cream or CC cushion. The reason being, meron akong dalawang CC cushion actually. And medyo maputi yung color niya for me. So, parang nakakita ko ng tutorial or something na pwede ka namang mag-mix ng sarili mo. So, I said, oh, why not? Para hindi naman masayang yung lalagyan. And I can create something that's really customized for my skin tone or kung anong gusto kong ilagay like serum or SPF, which we will do later on. So, if you want to see how I will do this and the things I've already done, please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I did was disassemble CC Compact. So, yung CC Compact, iba siya from other compacts because it contains the sponge. So, ito siya. Ganito siya noon. Right? I actually bought this sa Siam in Korea a couple of years ago. And then, hindi ko siya nagagamit like less than 10 times lang ata. So, sayang, diba? So, I just took this out using a pair of tweezers. Dito, nakalagay yung sponge as well as yung liquid natin. So, I washed this and this with antibacterial soap. So, yung hand soap na antibacterial. It takes a while. So, just be matyaga. Pero, ang mas madugong process is cleaning out the sponge. So, this is the sponge that goes in here. Yan siya. Okay? So, itong sponge na to, it's different from other sponges kasi I can feel that it's hollow inside. Ayan o, kaya siya cushion. Ina-absorb niya talaga yung product. So, when you're gonna wash this with your old compact, talagang matagal. It took me about 20 minutes kasi nasa loob lahat ng product, especially since hindi ko siya nagamit nga. So, talagang piga. Kala ko nga hindi na siya magiging white. May mga spots pa na hindi talaga nakuha, pero eto na yun, this is my best effort. So, lalabas talaga siya buo-buo. So, just press and press and press. And then, pag medyo naging liquid na, I used a cleansing oil para lang ma-break down yung product even more. And then, antibacterial soap ulit. The good thing about it is, madali siyang matuyo. So, this was overnight lang. And then this one, ito yung sponge that comes with the CC cream. Unfortunately, mine is dead. Sira na siya. So, be careful with this pala. It's very flimsy. Fortunately, meron sa Mumuso, which I got just now. Let's check it out pala. I got 2 for 150 pesos. So, that's not bad. Ayun, may case pa. Ang cute. So, ito na yung gagamitin natin. Iba kasing texture niya, again, from other types of sponges na we are used to. Okay, so let's start mixing. Okay, so this is the lalagyan. And I just disinfected this tip para yun yung pang mix natin later. So what you will need is foundation or BB cream of your choice, SPF or face block, serum, and actually anything else that you would want to put. So for today, or for this mixture, I'm using MAC Studio Sculpt. My color is NC30. So I'll just put that inside. I don't know how much, but we'll see. And then, since medyo matte tong MAC, I'm also using the Maybelline Green Satin foundation to make the look a bit more moist. So maybe 4 pumps. Okay. SPF. I'm using my Biore UV Aquarich BB Essence. This has SPF 50. And a couple of drops of niacinamide para may skincare tayo. Parang konti itong ginawa ko kumpara dun sa napanood ko. I don't know if I should add. Okay. This is, where is it? This is how it looks. I don't know if you can see. I'll start mixing it. Okay, so I added more. So let's start mixing again. Just make sure everything's well incorporated and walang mga buo-buong spots or whatever. Okay, so I think that's a very good color na. Good consistency. I'll swap it on my skin. Okay, so this is how it looks like on my skin. Okay, now let's put the sponge back inside. Press it. Ayun, nagalabas na siya. Very good. Alright. And put this back inside here. Okay, nasara ko na siya. So, this is how it looks. Nalagay ko na yung sponge mamaya. Ayan. Alright. So, ito yung na-swap. Swap? Tawag dyan? Sa skin ko. Let's do it again. I like it so much. So, I'm happy I'm happy my weekend project is a success. And sana may natutunan kayo. Try it out para hindi masayang yung mga CC cream nyo or yung foundation nyo if it doesn't match your color. Pwede naman talagang gumawa ng sarili. And if you have any questions about how I did it, any others, more specific questions, just send me a message or comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys real soon.